it's Sarah at Fine & Costa Real Estate. I'm at a project today. We just finished prepping this house for sale. So we spent about $15,000 and now the house is worth about $100,000 more. Let me show you what we did. So the sellers hired me to sell their house, and when I first got here, I realized instantly we were gonna have to do some work to prep the house for sale. The sellers actually smoked in the house for many years, so it wasn't really in a condition where we could just put it right on the market. So I talked to the sellers and they gave me a $15,000 budget and gave me the keys to the house, and we're on their way relocating to Texas. The $15,000 had to be used really efficiently. The main things we had to do was paint the entire house, remove the old carpet and replace it with vinyl plank flooring because that's what buyers really like. And we found a color that was very similar to the existing hardwood floors in the rest of the house and used that throughout the living area. So I made this whole process really easy for the sellers. They were able to just leave, say goodbye to the house, and let me really turn the house into something buyers would want, because sellers get so attached to their house, but at the end of the day, they're ready to move on, and I can come in and say, this is what buyers are looking for, this is what sells. All right, so this house had some really cool architectural features that we wanted to make sure we accentuated with our improvements. So you can see this built in here, we painted a darker gray so it would stand out. We also did the two-tone wall over here to show off the chair rail, as well as the French doors and this nice soffit here. We were limited on budget with this project, so we couldn't do a completely new kitchen. Instead, we just painted all the cabinets and then we changed out the hardware to make it look much more modern. These projects are super fun for me. I know for sellers it can be really overwhelming to move, sell your house, and do a remodel all at the same time. So that's where I come in. I can really help streamline everything. And like I said, my sellers can just completely leave town and I'll take care of anything and everything that needs to get done to get the house into a sellable position. So if this is something you're interested in, I'd love to help you get your house ready to sell and get it sold for you.